Hi, today let me tell you about the books which I bought for my son and some DIY study materials which I made for my son at the age of 4 to 5 years. Before getting into my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. First, let me tell you with some cartoon series book which I bought for him through online. First, let me tell you guys with some cartoon series book which I bought for him through online. The first one is Jake and Neverland cartoon series book. This Jake and Neverland series you might have seen in television. Since we buy their favorite cartoon series book, they may get interest in books and it create interest in reading. In this book, it has mixed words and pictures. See like this. So it makes your kids to involve. For example, I bet I could make the best birthday ever says that you can ask them to read or like you can ask them to identify the picture and ask them to say while you read I bet I could make. When you read I bet I could make, then ask them to tell the picture the best birthday, then ask them to say the cake ever says, ask them to identify the picture and say the name. So like that you can ask them to involve. If your kids can read, it's okay. If not, you can read these sentence and ask them to identify and read the pictures so that it makes fun for them and also it involves them to read. And next book is Paw Patrol. It has 6 stories, all of which had come on the TV. This one is great for 4+ years, one of the best bedtime story book for kids. As I said before, you have to change your voice and face expression to make it more interesting. And one more thing, this book share all of the characters who you see in the TV series. It has only 6 stories, but you can see all the characters from this Paw Patrol TV series. The next book is The Very Hungry Caterpillar. It has symbol wordings and colorful pages with interactive pages too. Children learn colors, name of different fruits and foods and even counting. The book is small, so it's easy to hold for a baby or a toddler. The pages has cut and holes punched where the caterpillar eats through the foods. If you have shoelace, you can color the lace with different colors and pretend it as a caterpillar. You just put in and out the lace like this. The caterpillar is going in and out to eat the fruits and foods. While you put the lace, you make the eating sound like it's an interesting bedtime story book and also you can use for any age of kids. These vehicle shaped books I bought it for my son from online. One is fire engine, next one ambulance, then police car. Symbol book to teach about community helpers and vehicles and its use. You can buy this for toddlers from 2 to 3 years or 3 to 4 years. Good, it's a best and good board book. I bought this for my son because I was teaching him about community helpers and vehicles. So I bought this now. You can buy this for toddlers. Apart from books, I made this cardboard stitching. I used old cardboards for teaching alphabets and numbers. I pasted A4 sheets in one side like this so that he will hold like this and read. Apart from other books, I also made some own books for my son. You have seen this in my previous videos about animal family name learning. These books and the sight words book and one more community helpers book. So these also I made for him apart from books.